7 attractive things women do that drive men crazy. Women are without a doubt the most gorgeous and unique of God's creations. All men are fully aware of how hard it would be to exist on this earth without women, for women make life worth living, provide beauty to the world, and give birth to life. We're all one of a kind. On any given day, a wide range of factors influence how we think, feel, dress, and act. Guys, on the other hand, enjoy a lot of things that women do. You might be doing these without even realizing it. After all, you're the lovely creatures that men fight for. More than 100 million sperm battle for a single egg in nature. 100 million sperm. Men, after all, are competitive by nature. It's ingrained in their DNA. It is within your power to entice guys. Do you want to discover what men seek in a woman? If you said yes, I have a special treat in store for you. It can serve as a quick guide to attracting guys. So don't skip ahead. Let's dive in. 1. Your ability to give. You will have no trouble finding a man who will remain if you are a very flexible giver. Men like it when their women can compromise, negotiate, and be honest in their communication. Even better if you offer them random gifts. Many women who are flexible givers are born with boyfriends, as I've seen. Why? Because this type of woman attracts men and makes their life simpler. Perhaps you'll surprise him with a nice present or a concert ticket. Perhaps you'll do something truly unique for his birthday. If he's not an idiot, he'll repay your kindness tenfold. It will pay off generously for you. Your relationship should be treated as if it were an investment. You invest in it, and it will and should reward you. Your acts of compassion and giving will surprise your partner, and he will believe you're a really unique lady because of them. Because you're loving, it also makes you more appealing to him. He'll remember you for being so nice to him. I've seen women like this before, and their men consider themselves fortunate to have them. They aren't going anywhere anytime soon, since their connection and relationship is based on love. Practice doing this and see how your guy reacts to it. 2. The little black dress or little black skirt. How many ladies do you know who have at least one LBD? The fascinating part about this is that you could not even know who owns such apparel because it is intended to be worn in the privacy of one's own house. If you don't have one, you should purchase one, especially for your husband's eyes. The LBD is one of the most powerful weapons in a woman's arsenal, and a loving husband in his right mind will always give in to her desires when she wears it. Although the dress can be any form or color, its size cannot be compromised. The word little here really means small, and if the dress isn't available, a skirt will work. Because a male in such a position would almost certainly see things from his wife's perspective. This article of clothing worn with a grin is enough to fix so many issues in a relationship. 3. Damsel in distress. Some women are so self-sufficient that they believe they can accomplish anything a guy can do. Being independent is not an issue, since the world we live in now requires both men and women to have the necessary abilities to live on their own. Men and women had very defined responsibilities to perform in the past, duties that made it hard for one gender to live separately from the other. Although the line between what a man should do and what a woman should do is nearly non-existent nowadays, a unique quality of a man-woman connection has disappeared with the boundary. Like a knight in shining armor swooping in to save a damsel in distress, the ordinary male enjoys assisting his woman in changing a light bulb or opening a tightly closed lid. Helping a lady drives a man crazy because he suspects the woman will repay him in ways that are inappropriate to discuss here. 4. Straightening ties. Straightening the tie here represents both what it technically implies and the limited and regular physical touch that a woman has with her partner. Before a guy leaves to work in the morning, whether the tie is correctly positioned or not, it is the woman's responsibility to carefully fix and perfect it. This contact has nothing to do with the tie's position. It has everything to do with the great sensation a guy gets after his wife gently touches him in the morning. Other actions, such as encouraging a guy to wrap his hand around your waist, hold your hands while you walk, and unexpectedly embrace you during the day, may make a man crazy in love with a woman. A woman who knows the connection between a man and a woman's touch is unlikely to have problems with an unfaithful guy. 5. Respect yourself. Nothing is more unappealing than a woman who has no regard for herself. Men, too, believe this. How can a man expect you to know anything about respecting others if you are always insulting yourself? His eyes will undoubtedly be drawn to you if you have self-respect. This entails understanding when to prioritize yourself and when to give yourself what you require. There's nothing beautiful about a woman who constantly talks down on herself, since she plainly doesn't respect herself enough to see her own value. If you want to know how to make a guy go crazy over you, respect is vital. 6. Loyalty and honesty. This trait is critical for maintaining a good relationship. You're being unfaithful to him if you're flirting with another guy behind his back or confiding in someone else while you're dating him. Guys prefer emotionally faithful women. They want to be able to rely on you. If you blindside them, it not only hurts, but it also reveals a lot about your character as a person and your honesty as a woman and human being. So give him your full attention, don't manipulate him, and don't play games with him. I've dealt with dishonest and unfaithful women who were manipulating. It takes a long time to regain their trust. Don't let that happen by remaining loyal and honest to your man. This is a really appealing feature, and you will feel better about yourself as a result of your excellent behavior. Cheating is horrible. If you see that your interest in your partner is fading, talk to him about it first. If that doesn't work, ask for a separation, breakup, or divorce, and start again with a clean slate. Men would prefer to talk about the difficulties and areas where they can improve in the relationship upfront, rather than being caught off guard by harsh betrayal or a woman playing mind games with their emotions and thoughts. Have a huge heart and treat others as you would like to be treated. 7. Be demanding. This isn't the same as being bossy. Please don't make that mistake. The dictatorial style may appeal to certain guys, but it becomes tiresome after a time. Be assertive in a way that demonstrates your authority. If you want to know how to make a guy go crazy over you, you must be capable of making and adhering to decisions. This does not imply entitlement or nagging in any manner. It's a healthy approach to take control every now and again. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.